Hi, I'm Mark Rodehaver, listing broker at Lift Residences Park City. Shortly you're going to see a video from Laren Turley, our Director of Development with Replay Resorts. We're looking forward to closings later this summer. Enjoy the video and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.
Welcome back to the Lift Construction Update. I'm Laren Turley, Director of Development for Replay Destinations here in Park City, Utah. We are so excited to be in the final months here at Lift. As you can see behind me, the exteriors are making great progress. Windows and glazing are going in. You'll see it wrapping on the east side to the northeast. That will be the last area to finish, kind of around the hillside area. All of the interiors are making great progress as well. Cabinets and countertops and finishes are going in. We're so excited to be in the final stretch and welcome you to Lift.